Welcome to the Garden Maze, a fully accessible and stroller-friendly 1-acre ornamental hedge maze located on the Luray Caverns campus. This maze creates a half-mile pathway full of turns and alcoves that you must navigate to get out of. Throughout the maze, there are stations or goals to discover a secret or a code word. You could find yourself in a created cave, on a lookout tower with benches under a pergola, or in the center listening to a fountain and the frustrated groans and moans of people who got lost, or listen to some signs that are straight up lies. For an additional cost, tickets to this can be purchased at the Luray Caverns ticket booth or at the gatehouse to the maze. See the links below for the main page of the maze, the Luray Caverns attraction page for this maze, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.